Does wireless HDMI actually mean wireless? Or is it wireless the way unlimited data is unlimited? Now we're going with the Lano S9 Pro. It's a USB-C wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. Just like that. So it's the whole kit that claims it'll beam your laptop, your phone, or tablet screen up to 100 meters to a monitor or projector with zero cables in between. No Wi-Fi required, no app, and allegedly no login screen asking you to create an account to continue. Okay guys, here we go. We got the Lano Wireless Direct Mirroring Box. This is just an instruction book on how to hook it up. It's really painless. Let's go and get these open. What comes with it? You got a USB-A to USB-C. You have a HDMI cord, just a small patch cord. Plug it in and fit it in on the back of your TV or what have you. USB-C, male and female. This here is only for carrying, is why that's sitting right. Why it's plugged in right there. Just makes it one. And you don't have to get orange like this. You can get like a gray also, which is kind of nice. You have one that's an RX and one that's TX. One is a receiver and one is a transmitter. The transmitter is what goes into your like computer or what have you that is processing the video out. You can use your HDMI cable that's provided here. You can plug it into a TV, a monitor, a big screen, a projector, but you're going to need power. So you plug that in and plug this into any available USB-A on the device that you're shooting your video to or what have you. So that's the whole package right here. I've dealt with Lano before. I think they have really good products. So if you want to go ahead and come on in a little closer, we'll go ahead and take a look at this and what it does.
Let me hit the 5 things that stood out to me most in testing. 1. True plug and play. No drivers, no Wi-Fi setup, no app install. It works across Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS. 2. 100 meters of range. That's about 328 feet, using 2.4 and 5.8 gigahertz dual band, dual channel transmission, so it holds up even with interference nearby. 3. The resolution jump. Standard S9 gives you smooth 1080p at 60 Hz. The S9 Pro pushes that to 4K at 30 Hz. A real difference if you're doing detailed presentation work. 4. The physical disconnect button. This is the one I actually want to demo for you in a second. 5. PD 60-watt charging. The transmitter's Type-C port charges your device while you're casting, so you're not battery anxious halfway through a long video. I ran the S9 Pro through a real-world test, casting 4K footage across a room, well within that 100-meter spec. What I was watching for was 2 things: video quality and transmission stability. Color reproduction held up well, motion stayed smooth with no visible tearing, and this is the important part: audio and video stayed in sync the entire time. No noticeable lag between when I moved the mouse and when it registered on the big screen. For a wireless connection running over dual band, that's a solid result. Now here's the demo I promised. Picture this. You're in a meeting, screen shared, and a personal notification is about to pop up. Instead of scrambling for the right window, you just hit this physical button on the transmitter. Instant disconnect. No menus. No software confirmation dialog. Just gone. If you've ever had that heart drop moment during a screen share, this button alone might be worth the price of admission. Compatibility-wise, it's built for USB-C devices. iPhone 15, 16, and 17 series, Galaxy S8 and Note 8 or later, Pixel 8, 9, and 10, Galaxy Z series, most MacBook Pro and Air models from 2018 onward, iPad Pro, Air, and Mini and Windows laptops. Worth noting, it does not work with Lightning port iPhones, Galaxy A or F series, or older Moto and Edge devices without the right USB-C alt mode support. So if you're rocking an older Lightning iPhone, this isn't for you yet. So who's this for? If you're doing business presentations and want one-click privacy protection between speakers, this fits. If you're a content creator wanting to throw your phone screen onto a monitor for a cleaner recording setup, this fits. Parents doing distance learning, or anyone who just wants to watch the game or a movie on the big screen without fishing for an HDMI cable, this fits too. Overall, the S9 Pro is the one to grab if you actually need 4K clarity for professional presentation work or content creation. Either way, the 100-meter range, the true plug-and-play setup, and that one-touch disconnect button are the three things that make this stand out from a typical wireless HDMI dongle. That's my full review of the Lano S9 Pro 4K wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. Links are down in the description. Let me know what you think about the S9 Pro.